Good day po sa lahat, si Fiscal EJ po ito. Tanong ng marami, bawal ba magdala ng minor sa motel? If the circumstances fall under either Section 6 or Section 10B of RA 7610, the answer is yes, bawal po. Section 6 refers to the crime of attempt to commit child prostitution, while Section 10B refers to the crime of other acts of abuse. Ano ba ang attempt to commit child prostitution? May tatlo pong elemento na dapat mangyari para mabuo ang nasabing krimen. First element, a person is found alone with a child inside the room or cubicle of a house, an inn, hotel, motel, or pension house, meaning ang bata nasa loob na ng kwarto kasama ang offender. Second element, the person who is with the child is not a relative of the said child, meaning hindi magkamag-anak ang bata at ang offender. Third element, there is reasonable ground to believe that the child is about to be exploited in prostitution and other sexual abuse. Now, this is the subjective part because what constitutes reasonable ground to believe will depend on the circumstances of each particular case. For example, foreigner na Arabo ang nasa loob ng room ng Sogo Motel kasama ang isang 14-year-old na Pinay na bata. Here, it is quite clear that the child is about to be exploited in prostitution or subjected to sexual abuse. Question: kailangan bang maaktuhan na nagtatalik o naglalampungan ang dalawa para masabi mong criminally liable ang foreigner? Hindi po. Because if that would be the case, the foreigner will be liable na under Section 5A for child prostitution or under Section 5B for other sexual abuse. Kaya nga po may Section 6 dahil Section 6 punishes the mere attempt to commit child prostitution and other sexual abuse. Another example, pagpasok ng motel staff sa room kung saan naka-check-in ang isang closet gay at ang kasama niyang batang lalaki na hindi niya kamag-anak, nakita ng staff ng motel na nakaakbay si closet gay sa bata na parang sweet na sweet sila sa isa't isa. Here, there is reasonable ground to believe that the child is about to be exploited in prostitution or subjected to sexual abuse. For purposes of Section 6 po, don't be confused with the use of the word attempt. The mere fact na nasa loob na ng kwarto ng motel si Arabo at si closet gay kasama ang bata na hindi nila kamag-anak is enough to constitute the crime of attempt to commit child prostitution. This is the reason why kailangang pagbawalan na silang pumasok sa room dahil hihintayin mo pa bang may mangyari sa bata bago ka umaksyon. Kahit nga sa labi pa lang, mararamdaman mo nang may hindi magandang gagawin ang foreigner dahil alangan namang sasadyain talaga nilang pumunta sa motel para lang magrosaryo o mag-Bible service. So sino ba ang magdidetermine kung may reasonable ground to believe that the child is about to be exploited in prostitution or subjected to other sexual abuse? Of course, ang hotel staff po ang magdidetermine dahil sila po ang may access sa room or cubicle sa isang motel o hotel. Or pwede rin ang mga police in cases of surveillance and entrapment operations against pedophiles or against persons they suspect of committing sex crimes. Question: what if sa lobby lang ng motel o hotel dinala ang minor? Meaning, wala pa sa cubicle o room. Bawal pa rin ba? Bawal pa rin po. No longer under Section 6 but this time under Section 10B for the crime of other acts of abuse. Basahin po natin ang nilalaman ng Section 10B of RA 7610 as amended by RA 11648. Any person who shall keep or have in his company a minor 16 years of age or under, or who is 10 years or more his junior in any public or private place, hotel, motel, beer joint, discotheque, cabaret, pension house, sauna or massage parlor, beach and or other tourist or similar places, shall suffer the penalty of prisión mayor in its maximum period and a fine of not less than 50,000 pesos. Provided that this provision shall not apply to any person who is related within the fourth degree of consanguinity or affinity or any blood recognized by law, local custom and tradition, or acts in the performance of a social, moral, or legal duty. Based on the provision that I just read, bawal po sa isang tao na magdala ng minor sa motel kapag ang minor ay una, 16 years old and below o mas bata ng 10 years o higit pa kumpara sa taong nagdala sa kanya sa motel. So for as long as 16 years old at pababa ang edad ng minor, bawal po magdala ng minor sa motel. Otherwise, the person who brought the said minor to a motel, even if they have not yet gone inside the room, will be criminally liable for other acts of abuse under Section 10B. Bawal din po magdala ng minor sa motel kapag ang age gap between the adult and the minor ay 10 taon o mahigit sa 10 taon. For example, 27 and 17, 28 and 17, 35 and 17, 45 and 17. Sa mga examples na ibinigay ko, mapapansin nyo na at least 10 years or more ang age difference. Question: what if ang age difference is 26 and 17, 22 and 17, or 21 and 17? Pwede na ba magdala o magsama ng minor kahit sa lobby lang ng motel? It would appear na pwede nang magdala dahil 9 years or below lang ang pagitan nila. What I'm trying to say is that pag 9 years or below ang age difference, wala pong criminal liability ang adult who is in the company of a minor in the lobby of a motel. But like what I've pointed out earlier, dapat na silang pagbawalan kahit nasa lobby pa lang, because why would the adult bring a child to a motel if not for the purpose of bringing him inside the room of a motel? You will surely ask, Fiscal, bakit ganun? Bakit hindi na lang outright ipagbawal ang pagdadala ng minor, period? Bakit pag 9 years or below ang age difference, it would appear na pwedeng isama sa lobby ng motel ang isang minor? All I can think of is that since the age of sexual consent is 16, and considering that the age difference of 9 years or below is not anymore that big of a gap, thereby lessening the possibility of coercion or undue influence, the law allows an adult to keep or have in his company a minor who is younger by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9 years than the said adult. So ano ba ang exemptions to the general rule prohibiting a person to keep or have in his company a minor in a hotel, motel, beer joint, discotheque, cabaret, pension house, sauna or massage parlor, beach and or other tourist resort or similar places? In other words, what are the instances in which the law allows a person to have in his company a minor in such places? The exceptions are, number 1, the age difference between them is less than 10 years. Number 2, the adult is the child's relative within the 4th degree of consanguinity or affinity. And number 3, there is legal, moral, or social duty giving the adult authority to have the minor in his or her company in such places, or at the very least, requires his being with the said child in such places. Pag sinabi mong legal duty, for example, ikaw yung inappoint na legal guardian ng korte to take care of the minor. Kahit na hindi kayo magkamag-anak o kahit na 10 years ang age difference mo sa minor o kahit na yung minor is 16 years or below, hindi ka makakasuhan dahil you have the legal duty to take care of the said minor. Pag sinabi mo namang moral or social duty, for example, may nakita kang bata sa daan late in the evening na tila nawawala at walang kasama. Gusto mo siyang dalhin sa istasyon ng pulis pero hindi mo magawa dahil malayo at wala kayong masasakyan. Kaya napilitan kang dalhin siya sa pinakamalapit na pension house. In this example, kesa naman iwanan mo ang bata, your social or moral duty requires you to bring such child to a place such as a pension house for purposes of giving the said child shelter. Now, as to the question kung dapat bang ipagbawal ang pagdala ng minor sa motel, again, the answer is yes. Basahin po natin ang Section 11, Article 7 of RA 7610. Section 11 on sanctions. All establishments and enterprises which promote or facilitate child prostitution and other sexual abuse, child trafficking, obscene publications and indecent shows, and other acts of abuse shall be immediately closed and their authority or license to operate cancelled without prejudice to the owner or manager thereof being prosecuted under this act and or the revised penal code as amended or special laws. A sign with the words of limits shall be conspicuously displayed outside the establishments or enterprises by the Department of Social Welfare and Development for such period which shall not be less than 1 year, as the department may determine. The unauthorized removal of such sign shall be punishable by prisión correccional. An establishment shall be deemed to promote or facilitate child prostitution and other sexual abuse, child trafficking, obscene publications and indecent shows, and other acts of abuse if the acts constituting the same occur in the premises of said establishment under this act or in violation of the revised penal code as amended. To repeat, isasarado ang motel o paparusahan ang manager o may-ari ng motel if the acts constituting child prostitution and other sexual abuse, child trafficking, obscene publications and indecent shows, and other acts of abuse occur in the premises of the motel. So para hindi sila maparusahan, dapat sila mismo ang magbawal na may ganitong mangyari. They should have trained personnel to check on people who visit their establishment. Question: Piskal, makailang beses na akong nagdala ng minor sa motel na hindi ko kamag-anak, hindi naman ako pinagbawalan. Ibig sabihin ba pwedeng magdala ng minor sa motel na hindi mo kamag-anak? Batas na po ang nagsasabi na bawal magdala ng minor sa motel with some exceptions of course. Hindi porket hindi kasinita hindi na ipinagbabawal. Kaya nga mapaparusahan ang manager o may-ari ng motel o masasara ang motel pag may nagaganap na child prostitution, kasama na dun ang attempt to commit child prostitution, sexual abuse, child trafficking, obscene publications and indecent shows, and other acts of abuse in their premises. So hanggang dito na lamang po tayo and see you in my next video. Maraming salamat po.